Any munaneng Senator Bam Aquino, Chairperson ng Senate Committee on Science and Technology, ing pa magbuong meto nga matibeng legal safety net para king plano ng Pilipinas king nuclear energy. King hearing ng Senado, pisabiyang Senate Bill number 1206 o Philippine Nuclear Liability Act. Alayong gawang makabayo, ing lumang batas inyang 1968 at iayon niya king international standards tulad ng Vienna Convention on Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage.
This bill supports the players to come in, 'di ba? Because magkakaroon ng mas malinaw na regime kapag may aksidente, kapag may mga claims and liabilities, mas magiging malinaw. So this will support the industry to come in. Yes, but Philatom's already passed, no?
Yes,
A matter of time na lang 'yan.
Opo.
Okay, but technically you don't need this for it to start, but this law will allow for a better regime once these plants are up already. This will cover it.
Yes.
But actually, even if we don't push through with plants, the law will already cover all of the other uses of nuclear, no? Okay, so that's clear.
Dinikdik ng Senator Aquino na bayo pa man ipatalakad ng nanumang nuclear plant, dapat malino natin yung ustong pondo at pananagutan reng pribadong operators nung sakaling may ka-aksidente o kasiran king kalikasan o kareng memalen. Agpangking panukala, may ka multi-tiered compensation system bang asiguradong agaran na mabayaran la reng biktima at eya pabayad kareng taxpayer ing gastos king oras ng insidente.
Palagay ko yun yung pinakauna sa mga pamilyang Pilipino na meron tayong source ng mas murang kuryente. For a nuclear plant to be put up in an LGU, we need to have full approval of all of the stakeholders there, considering how critical a nuclear plant can be. Diba? So, I hope we will take extra care in looking for the proper partners, no? Kung saan ho tayo magtatayo ng mga planta in the future.
Kayagdanan iti, reporting Department of Energy o DOE na balawos ng technical evaluation kareng posibleng lokasyon ng nuclear facilities king Bataan, Pangasinan, Camarines Norte, Masbate at Palawan. Pepakit rin king hearing na metong ng Pilipinas kareng ating peka masika na singil king kuryente king Southeast Asia amamabot king 1.86 pesos kada kilowatt hour. Agpang king DOE, mas mura ing nuclear fuel kumpara king carbon, amalyaring magdulot ng maragulatipid king kuryente. Bistamat ating alo sa 70% na suporta ng publiko king nuclear energy. Agpang king 2024 survey, sinabi ng Senator Bam Aquino na iti makabasiya king pag-asang babay singil ning kuryente. Ing Senate Bill makatukiya king pamag sa batas king Republic Act 12305 inyang 2025 abubuo king Philatom, ing independent nuclear regulator ning bansa. Target ning gobyerno na mikapeka mo ng operational nuclear plant karas ning 2032. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force, Pampanga, Balitang Tutuking Balen, Susuyo.